In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Google Sheets. This powerful automation can save you time and streamline your workflow by connecting different apps and automating the transfer of data. Let's get started on this simple integration process. First, navigate to the Zapier website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Zapier dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. On the dashboard, you'll find a Create button, usually located at the top of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Zaps. This will lead you into the Zap creation interface, where you can begin to build your automation. Now, you have two options. You can manually create the Zap, or you can get some help from Zapier's AI tool, which can guide you through the process. For the sake of understanding every detail, let's focus on the manual method. As you manually create the Zap, you will see areas labeled Trigger and Action. These are the fundamental parts of any automation process. Underneath each, you have options to choose from a list of available applications, which is where you can bring Google Sheets into play. Depending on the type of automation you aim to create, you may decide to add Google Sheets as either your trigger app, your action app, or both. To set your trigger, choose New Spreadsheet Row. This particular setup will activate the Zap every time a new row is added to your designated Google Sheet. Next, if you haven't already connected your Google account to Zapier, you'll need to do so here. Zapier will guide you through the steps to link your account. After linking your account, you must select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to work with. Now that your trigger is set, it's time to decide on an action. This could be anything you want to automate. For example, you might choose Create Spreadsheet Row within Google Sheets, or another option like Create Job in a different app. To proceed, connect the account of your chosen action app to Zapier in a similar manner to how you linked your Google account. Once you've put everything in place, don't forget to test the automation to ensure everything works as expected. Zapier provides a simple interface for testing your Zaps, so make use of that feature. After successful testing, you're ready to publish your Zap. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated Zapier with Google Sheets, making your workflow more efficient and automated. Enjoy the newfound ease that comes with automating your tasks, and be sure to explore other Zaps that could further simplify your efforts.